Hello and welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we will see how to make our menu dynamic with some functions of WordPress.org. First of all, we will go to Google and we will type WP register menu. We will have register nav menu and register nav menus. We will see the difference between them. First of all, we will see register nav menu, string location, string description. We will copy, in fact, this action, and we will go to our functions.php. We will add just add action after setup theme register my menu, and we will name it as monster underscore setup. Very nice. We will copy this and we will create a new function called this time monster setup. Very nice. I will begin my process. We will use the first function, which is register underscore nav underscore menu without s. The location, it will be a string of main menu. Before we do anything, we will see the appearance. In our appearance, we will cut all this code and we will go again and refresh, and we will see that we have no menu. We have themes, customize, and theme file editor. And when I make back my code to the code editor, description of it will be main menu. Very nice. With that, we are good to go. Semi-comma, and I will hit now refresh. We have by now the menu, and we have the menu position. I will hit refresh again. Create a new menu. We have, in fact, this main menu, and we have this menu, view all. So we'll command all this. We'll command this, and we will use by now the register nav menus. We see an example of this. functions, my themes, register nav menu, array, primary menu, etc. etc. I will copy this and I will put it just here. I will delete this. In fact, they will register nav menus array, and without any error. I will see by now register nav menus array primary menu text domain. I will put by now a functions that loads a text domain. I will type simply in Google WP load theme text domain, load theme text domain function. We see an example of this. Which is this. I will copy this function and I will put it just here. Load theme text domain. Here we will put the domain text, which is monastery for our case, get tupla directory, and I will create here a new directory called languages. Very nice. By now I will have my text domain loaded. I will by now go again and choose to replace the text domain with monastery. Also here with monastery. Just you have to follow my video and my lesson and choose the right documentation that is suitable for you. I will not provide you with every and each single document in our videos because it makes you lazy and you will not search by yourself. So just follow and make the same steps. Okay, I will back again to our menu page. Sorry for that mistake. We have primary menu and footer menu. Very nice. By now I will just command this and I will delete this comma. We will leave only the primary menu. I will back again. By now we will search for WP nav menu 2. We will type WP nav menu. These functions is very important for our theme because it render our header.php. We will go by now to header.php and just here we'll begin a PHP statement. We will begin our journey. We will type WP underscore nav underscore menu with arguments, and this time I will put an array and I will put semi-comma and I will begin my code. I will begin with theme location. Arguments. I will go to grab an example of that. Very nice. This argument, I will copy it. I will go to the code editor and I will put theme location. After that I will put the argument for theme location. I will go back to functions.php and I will choose primary menu. Copy it, paste it here, comma, and after that I will choose to see the result. I will go to menu and I will save menu, and I will go to see the result of our work. We have sample page and we have our old menu. Very nice. By the way, I will delete all of that, or at least I will comment it, or I will delete it. Oh, sorry for that mistake. And after that I will inspect the element. I will inspect the element and I will see what class it is. I will inspect the element and I will see. In every case I will put menu underscore class as test class. By the way, this course is not about styling or other things, but it is a course about transforming or making a WordPress theme from a bootstrap HTML CSS JavaScript template to a premium WordPress theme. We'll begin step by step from a little theme to a gigantesque theme with all the options. So test class, I hit save automatically and I will hit refresh. Nothing is changed. Okay, it is by now with a nice color, and I will go now and to add menu ID, menu underscore ID with the ID of menu ID. And last but not least, container class. Container class, it will be main menu container. It will be main menu container. You must see your template before you do any changes, and after that I will hit refresh. I will add some pages, for example this and this, and I will add the menu, and I will save menu, and I will back again and hit refresh. Hit refresh. never mind. So with that we are good to go. We have finished our integration and customization of our menu. We have so far done the integration of menu, and I will see you in the next video.